This gorgeous updated home has plenty of room for everyone. The light-filled main level has a living room, formal dining room, family room that is open to the kitchen and dining area, 4-season room, 1 bedroom, FF laundry, and vaulted ceilings with skylights. Upstairs are 3 more bedrooms including a master suite with an enormous walk-in closet west/bonus storage. The lower level has a jungle gym you have to see to believe. There is also a great rec room and another bedroom suite on this level. Plenty of storage in this home. The 3-car garage has a removable ramp for easy access to the home.